to reiterate, there are different types of stories. There's a Rags to Riches, where you've seen Prince and the Pauper is one too. Cinderella, she starts out with nothing and she winds up a princess. That sort of thing. Shrek, oddly enough, is kind of a reverse of that, where he starts out, I mean, he lives in a swamp and he marries a princess. So, there you go, he becomes king. A quest and a voyage, there's not a huge difference, other than a voyage is more about the journey, and a quest, there's a bit more of a goal in mind. But they're pretty hard to distinguish, so people use them interchangeably. I use Dragon Quest because it was a fun one. Voyage of the Dawn Treader, they had a specific goal in mind. Caspian is trying to reclaim all of his father's territory because by that point, by his father's reign, they become an empire, and so he's claiming it. That's what gets all this started. He's also looking for the missing lords. A rebirth cycle is pretty. I mean, is pretty straightforward too. It's very much it can be a physical death, it can be a psychological death, it can be the death of a dream, the idea is something about you dies and goes away, and then you come back as a different and better person, usually. And then we're getting to Mystic Structure.